Oh my god, is this an actual nail-related video? Time to put the nail back in Simply Nailogical. Well, hello everyone, it's me Christine again. Long time no nail. Okay, I'll stop. And today we're gonna play with some hollow sludge on our nails. I found it fresh up in the Hollow Mountains. Obviously, I had to get it because I need things that are hollow and squishy naturally. So this stuff is technically called rainbow linear paste. And by rainbow, they mean hollow. Oh, so many words to describe it. Highly concentrated testing power. Well, I like the sound of this already. I got this hollow paste from this shop that sells a lot of pigments for DIY nail polish and other crafty projects. There's a link to their shop down below in the video description box. It's also the same place I got that crazy LCD color changing stuff from that I used in a video a couple months ago. Oh look, it's me on the top of the packaging, a hollow troll. So this, my friends, is a very powerful hollow ball. Do not with the hollow ball. I mean, well, no, that's exactly what we're gonna do. Let's play. Whoa, what is this? Do you see the rainbows coming through? If you're wondering what I do on the weekends, it's this stuff. Alright friends, it's experiment time. That's right, it's time to do experiments. I got a bunch of fake nail swatch things because my own nails have betrayed me. Here's a short life update for you. My nail is pushing through. It's grown out a bit, but the break is still too far down to suffer through any kind of experiments. I'm sorry, we just can't put it through that kind of trauma right now. So we're gonna paint a bunch of these fake nail sticks with black polish because hollow always looks best over black. And now we're gonna add a gel taco so we can add a nice clean seal to the nail before we start putting on some hollow stuff. Bake that shit for a minute. And I'm just gonna first try what people normally do with the nail powders, and that's take an eyeshadow applicator, but dip it in the hollow sludge, and then gently buff it onto the nail. Ooh, interesting. Looks promising, but as I keep on buffing it, it seems to be getting duller and duller. Why? Why less hollow? Why? I mean, it's still hollow, but it's a very silver hollow, you know what I mean? It's like too gray. But how could we judge this without any hollow reference point? You know, we gotta be good hollow scientists.
Christine, the science queen. Christine, the science queen.
So let's compare the hollow linear paste to a bunch of different hollow nail powders. Also, stay to the end of this video if you want to see some hollow witchcraft. First up, let's try this hollow hoop powder by Twinkled Tea. Same deal as before, you put on a regular black polish and then you add a gel taco and then you bake it for a minute. Take the eyeshadow applicator and put it on your eyes. I mean, put it on your nail. Buff that powder into the nail. Oh yeah, hollow's looking good. I may do another video on a whole assortment of nail powders that I have. Let me know down below in the comments if you want to see that. But for now, I did put links down below in the video description box if you want to find out where to get all this shit. Next up, from the same company of the hollow sludge, is the Solar Color Dust Pure Hollow Powder. That's how I like my hollow. Fresh, uncut, pure, 100%. Oh yeah, that was a fun weekend. Oh yeah, you guys want to party with me now, don't you? I also got this space hollow version of the powder. It looks much grayer. I'm kind of hoping it looks like a black hollow rainbow. I have yet to see that. But it's not really working the way I thought it would. Yeah. Maybe this powder isn't intended for this particular use. Sometimes these powders are supposed to be used as pigments that you mix in nail polish bases. But hey, I'm just experimenting, okay? Don't get mad at me. Now let's test out this hollow powder I got from Nails21, which is a very hard to find brand from Portugal, I think. It was the first hollow powder I ever played with. If you want to see my first time, there's a link for that video too. Oh god, just so hollow. I'm getting hollow sexual right now. Now, I anticipate that a question might be, how does this compare to just regular silver hollow nail polish? Why do we gotta use powder? Well, let me show you. This is probably one of the staple linear hollow polishes. Now, don't get me wrong, it's great, and I love it, but the hollow payoff of a hollow powder is quite different than a hollow polish. I guess you could say the polish is a little more subtle. I didn't put it over black because it's supposed to be opaque and 2 coats anyways. Now what about a hollow taco? I just like to say those words, let's be honest. This is my favorite linear hollow taco, and just 1 thin coat over black, you get this bam dazzled hollow effect. And here you can see everything we just did compared in 1 shot. Clearly the hollow powders are the most hollow, since the hollow flame, as they call it, is most intense. Can you handle the hollow? Now, I'm kind of dissatisfied that I wasn't able to make the hollow sludge work, okay? Why you so weak, hollow sludge? Why? I'm probably doing something wrong, so let's play around, shall we? What if we mix it with some clear polish? Oh, imagine they let you do this in school. You would all get A's. So I'm just gonna apply it straight on with a paintbrush, and yeah, it's kind of underwhelming, not gonna lie. It mostly looks silver, which is not as good as hollow. But interestingly, when I started brushing the remnants of the hollow sludge off the paintbrush, the hollow came to life. So it looks as if you need to dilute this to actually have it be more hollow, if that makes any sense. This is where you look up real instructions or some scientific evidence on this phenomenon that I know nothing about. All I can say is it's beautiful, and this is what my skin will look like in my next life. Now what if we mix it with some colored jelly polish, that is tinted clear polish? Ooh, baby pink hollow. Menchie would like this! It's a very understated pink hollow, but it doesn't satisfy me, obviously. Now what if we water it down? Oh my god, what is that? Did you see that second of magic? Oh my god, water down the hollow. Why didn't I think of that? Water plus hollow equals life. Duh! So the hollow effect shows a lot better when it's watered down, but I know it looks kind of distressed. Maybe that's not the ideal look, but I think it looks cool. Oh, and hey, wait a second. What's that on my other hand? It's hollow sludge on my fingers. Don't ask me if I licked them later. So then I went to grab some more water with my eyeshadow applicator and discovered that the hollow gods are real. Oh my god, hollow can really walk on water. Would you look at that? Can you water marble with this? Oh my god, let's poke it. Oh, yeah, not really. It just looks like I'm breaking hollow ice. That's what I do with new people when I meet them. I don't just break the ice, I break the hollow ice. Okay, that was a terrible joke. Let's move on. Let's stir that shit up and... Oh my god, you've just entered the hollow twilight zone. Every time I add a little bit more of the hollow sludge, it just goes floop and makes all the water hollow. It's amazing. Like, look at this science. What the fuck? Okay, I suppose we should do something with this. So I tried dipping a nail into it, like how witches would generally water marble. And that looks pretty cool. It's looking more hollow and it's moving. It's moving. Let's try that again. Oh yeah. I normally don't dip my fingers into water, but when I do, it's for hollow. Oh look, I made an accidental inverse French tip in the middle of my nail. What if we just take the little particles and get kind of a water spotted effect? Oh, nope, nothing. All right, just one more time, Mom. I just want to go in the hollow pool again. Cool. Not perfect, I got some bubbles, but... And here are the results of the hollow sludge experiments. I'm sure the water ones would have turned out better if I had a witch on hand. Unfortunately, I don't right now. But as you can see, compared to the linear hollow powders, the hollow sludge has got nothing on it. I mean, it all depends what you're looking for. Maybe you want a more subtle hollow glow. I don't know. We can't be friends though. Now I anticipate that you guys are gonna ask me which hollow powder is the best, and honestly, they look pretty damn similar to me. I do see a very slight difference though. One of them appears to be more densely packed than the other two. In fact, those two look almost exactly the same. One of them is just a lot easier to get in North America. Here's the denser packed hollow up close. I mean, they're all great. I don't know what you want me to say, okay? All hollow satisfies me in ways that non-hollow does not. and all of this just makes me sad because I can't put it on my broken nail right now. But I can do some experiments for you guys, so let me know down below in the comments if you want some other experiments a la nail swatch style, because I'm just as up for them as I'm up for making highly irrelevant videos like Simply Face Logical, Simply Play Logical, and whatever else the hell comes from my brain. But I'm glad you guys are having fun watching me have fun. Shout out to all your mushy comments. They're so mushy, but I appreciate them. Alright guys, that's it for today. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see y'all later. Bye!